What if your retirement income could grow without going back to work and you could finally enjoy true financial freedom? You know, having both the money freedom and the time freedom to do the things that you want to do when you want to do them without worrying about your budget. Well, I'm here to tell you it is doable. I found the best passive income for seniors. It's a simple path to extra money for retirement, and it might be just right for you too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. Passive income is what really creates the financial freedom that my wife Barbara and I enjoy. And just so we are clear, passive income is the money that comes in month after month without any extra work. Now, there are many ways to build passive income. Stocks and real estate are a couple of the passive income streams that people think of first. However, they are out of reach for many seniors. But here's something almost anyone can do. I've been doing it for over 4 years now. There is no big investment, no special skills or experience are needed, and what I like best is it only takes minutes to get it going. It's a simple online opportunity with an automated marketing system. If I can do it, you can too. The system is set up to market 4 high-demand digital products where you can make immediate cash flow and long-term passive income too. That's right, you can still be getting paid months from now for the business your website does each day. I have customers that I've been getting paid on for years. In a previous video, I explained why you need passive income for true financial freedom. I'll put a link to it up here so that you can check it out. Bottom line, passive income sets you free. It's how you escape the rat race of always having to put in more time to have more money. And this opportunity that I'm telling you about is so simple. The marketing system is completely turnkey. It's all set up and done for you. It comes with excellent training and support and an online community where we share ideas and answer questions. You'll love being part of this. And thanks to our exclusive Quick Start training, you can make money fast. Many new people make money the very first day while they're building long-term passive income too. And again, thanks to the automated system, it only takes minutes to get it going. So whether you're looking for extra money to help fund your retirement, pay bills, travel, or simply enjoy true financial freedom, this could be what you've been searching for. Take our online tour and see how simple it is to make passive income part of your retirement plan. Go to attainmygoals.com/passive. It's easier than you think.